this blush in another vlog, but it has my name on it. I actually got this in Japan. I'm actually going to Japan tomorrow. I'm going to Tokyo with my family. I feel like this always happens. I have not packed a thing. Also, I don't know why I feel like a little sniffly right now. That better just be like allergies. There's quite literally no way that I'm gonna get sick on this trip. Like, it's not gonna be a thing. I just wanted to do my makeup, get ready a little bit, because we have stuff on the agenda that we need to address today. So, starting off the morning strong. Also, happy holidays. It is Christmas in 6 days. Anyways, yeah, I did my makeup. We're gonna go be productive now. Maybe I'll start packing, but who knows. Guys, these are my most comfortable sweatpants from Brandy. At our front door, we put these little Christmas trees. They're so cute. So are you. But yeah, they also light up and they're so cute. I love them so much. So I ordered jewelry on Black Friday from Evry Jewels and it just came in. I'm gonna unbox it because it's taken forever, but also hopefully it was worth the wait. This is cute. I think this is yours. Like, the jewelry is actually really cute. This is yours. Okay, these, I did order silver hoops because I just don't own a pair of silver hoops, or gold hoops. These are actually really cute. See, like, the quality is pretty good for the price. Like, it's really surprising. So I ordered these. I also ordered, like, this necklace, this one, and then a couple of other pieces. I think this one is my sister's. I don't think I ordered that. That's cute, though. TV show, am I gonna get copyrighted? Is that a thing? I genuinely do not know. I'm gonna show you guys some of the stuff that I'm bringing. Also, I don't know why the lighting in my room is just horrendous. I'm sorry about that, but it is. Okay, so I basically spent a couple of hours cleaning up my room and then packing, folding clothes, just being very productive. And now we have to close everything out, and then I'm going to do a little bit of self-care before I go to sleep because I'm feeling, I just need to feel good. I did bring like shampoo and micellar water to take off my makeup and everything, and then I have like my hair oil. I'm also going to be bringing this bag to use as an everyday bag.